Hello everyone. In this video we will design our main page like home page. As you know, in developing we have to make everything separately and independent. Then we will get them together. This is a principle. So we have to separate each files to other smaller parts. In this way, I separate my home page into some parts like slider, footer, and header. It's only HTML code, front-end code. It's not a backend code. Because of that, I passed this part, and now we will write code and we will add functionality to them by writing PHP code. Let's go it. First, we need to add our header, isn't it? We will include our header by using include keyword. We are in the same folder. Because of that, we can call it like that. After that, we will copy it and we will paste it here to get our footer 2. Let's call it as footer. Then I think we can add here our sidebar. Let's set it. Then we have a slider part. It can be here, I think. Yeah. We will say this is the slider. We can take it from the same folder. Let's call it slider.php. Now I will go to header.php because I am doing some critical operation at the start of each page, and each page will contain this header.php. Each page include this folder file. So we will make some initial operation in this file. First, what need to do? We need to include our database connection, isn't it? Uh, to fetch data from database. So what I will say, I say include from admin page and go operation part and give me the connection of database. We will get it. Then here I want to fetch this website settings, because as you know, at the initial videos we create some uh, thing to update our website settings, and we can use them now to show them. Let's create a query like setting query, and we will use db object from connect.php to prepare a query. We will make selection operation from which table, setting table, then where the setting id is equal to id fetch. We will say execute. When we are writing code, we have to write it in a way, we have to write in a flexible way, because sometimes we need to change it directly and uh, fastly with a small effort, so that we have to write code in a flexible way. We will say setting fetch is equal to setting query, execute, fetch, fetch DBO, fetch associated column, associated row, and assign it to setting fetch. Now, as you can see, we fetched the settings, and we need to show them in related columns, related fields. First, I want to get my title. What is my title? I will get it from here. I will say, I will get it by using this one. I will say setting title will equal to setting title. A code print this setting title, fetch it, and show it inside of the title text. And we can get the description of web page, isn't it? How we can get it? As you can see, we create a query and we will fetch the related row of the setting table. Then we will show it. We will do same thing for author. I will get it and I will show it here. I have to say setting at the beginning of it, and okay, we will get the author, isn't it? And we will get the keyverbs. We will say setting keyverbs. I think everything is good now, but we didn't show our logo, isn't it? Here we have to show our logo. We need to show our logo. We will come to here, and when I click this one, I want to go index.php. So what is my source for the logo? We will get it from fetch settings object, isn't it? Let's get it. Let's say setting logo. Okay. Until now, we did everything is correct, and we add everything properly. We will go index.php, we write it, and now we can test it. Let's go and let's test. As you can see here, we get everything correctly. Our title is Isprim, and we get the logo. In the future, I will fill these parts and I will add something to see you. But now it's are empty. But I will add something to see, to show you, and these are not actually empty now, but we don't have any data to fill these ones. I can write some data to only show them, and in the next videos we will get them from the database. But now we can write something only to see, a more convenient page. But we will fill them by using database